Hey there, positivity lovers. Welcome back to Purely Positivity. In today's video, we're going to delve deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its impact on finance. We'll discuss the potential benefits, the risks, and what regulators and investors can do to maintain stability in this rapidly evolving landscape. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive in. First, let's talk about the positives. AI is being used more and more in finance, and it's proving to be incredibly effective. For example, ChatGPT, a generative AI tool, has shown a strong performance in classifying FedSpeak sentences, surpassing other popular classification methods. This means that AI could potentially be better at understanding the decisions and comments made by central bankers, helping hedge funds and finance managers make more informed decisions. Another great advantage of AI in finance is the potential to streamline processes and improve efficiency. With AI tools like ChatGPT, finance managers can optimize their operations, reduce the time spent on manual tasks, and focus on more strategic aspects of their job. This can lead to cost savings and increased competitiveness for companies that embrace AI technology. But as with any powerful technology, there are risks involved. A paper co-written by Lily Bailey and Gary Gensler, chair of the Securities and Exchange Commission, points out three major stability risks that come with AI in finance. The first risk is opacity. AI tools can be mysterious and difficult to understand, even for experts. This could potentially lead to decreased ability to anticipate model vulnerabilities in finance, making it harder for investors and regulators to assess the stability of financial systems. The second risk is concentration risk. As the AI market becomes dominated by a few major players, this could create a monoculture where numerous financial services are built on the same AI base. This commonality could lead to bugs spreading through the entire system, and even without bugs, a monoculture increases the likelihood of digital herding and pro-cyclicality risks. The third risk involves regulatory gaps. Financial regulators may struggle to understand AI or determine who should be monitoring it. This could lead to real financial stability risks as AI becomes more prevalent in the financial sector. It's essential for regulators to become more informed about AI technology and develop appropriate oversight mechanisms to ensure stability. So, what can we do to address these risks? For one, regulators and investors should become more knowledgeable about AI technology and its potential impacts on the financial sector. This includes understanding the limitations and potential vulnerabilities of AI systems. There should also be ongoing discussions and collaboration between AI developers, financial institutions, and regulators to create transparency and shared understanding. This could involve standardizing the reporting of AI tools' internal guidelines, as suggested by tech luminary Tim O'Reilly, to help regulators and investors assess the risks involved. While AI offers incredible benefits to the world of finance, we must be cautious and aware of the risks that come with it. By fostering a culture of collaboration, transparency, and education, we can work together to ensure that the financial sector embraces AI innovation while maintaining stability. That's all for today's video. If you found this informative and inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Purely Positivity for more great content. Until next time, stay positive and keep learning.